welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a Dollar Tree haul on Cake Boss items that I got from, like I said, Dollar Tree. Oh my god, I was so excited when I seen these things, so I just wanted to come on and show you what I got. Each item was only $1. Okay, so this is a princess set, a work truck set. Both of those are 4 pieces. This one is a 25-piece cake kit. This one is a 28-piece sports cake kit. And then this one is a 25 winter cake kit. Also, was able to get this big old fondant roller. Okay. And then they had these little rollers. This one for a swirl pattern. This one is for a flower and dot pattern. This one is for a diamond pattern. Okay, and they also had spatulas, icing spatulas, guys. Oh my god, like I said, all this stuff was $1 a piece. Okay, and then they had the spatulas and the spooners sets. So I just got 2 of those. Okay, and like I said, all this was $1. And they had a couple more things, like a cake book stand, a cutter, 2 cutters actually. I'm gonna go back and get those, but I'm gonna show the pictures that they had of those. But this is what I got from Dollar Tree for $1. And other stores will have this for like $15 to $20 a piece. And Cake Boss is a very big thing in the bakery world, bake world or whatever. I used to watch the show on TLC all the time. He's like the 4th generation, so it's been going on in his family for generations and generations. But the show was on TLC. I'm not sure if it still come on, but Buddy is a great baker. I love everything about him, his family. They're so sweet and nice, and they know how to decorate their butts off. Okay, so if you guys are in Dollar Tree, run over to your baking aisle and see if they have any Cake Boss items to purchase, because like I said, any other store will have this for like $15 to $20 a piece, each item. So again, thank you guys for watching my videos. If you haven't, please subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and also hit that bell button to get more alerts when I have more videos posting. But until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.